Welcome to a mesmerizing journey into the heart of the Northern Lights, one of nature's most dazzling displays. Join us as we unveil the secrets behind this breathtaking phenomenon. The Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are a celestial spectacle that graces the polar skies with vibrant colors. But what's the science behind this enchanting light show? It all begins with our closest star, the Sun. The Sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles, known as the solar wind. When this solar wind reaches Earth, it collides with our planet's magnetic field. These charged particles then interact with gases in our atmosphere, like oxygen and nitrogen. When they collide, they release energy in the form of light. Different gases produce various colors. Oxygen, for example, can create green and red hues, while nitrogen contributes to purples and pinks. The best places to witness this celestial ballet are in the polar regions, including countries like Norway, Sweden, Finland, Canada, and Iceland. For centuries, the Northern Lights have captivated human imagination. Indigenous cultures have their own rich stories and beliefs about these radiant lights. To witness the Northern Lights is to witness the magic of our planet. So, if you ever find yourself in the polar regions, be sure to look up and be awed by this extraordinary natural spectacle. Join us in celebrating the wonders of our world. Subscribe to our channel for more enlightening insights and captivating discoveries.